Today, nandito tayo sa Korakuen Garden. Alam nyo ba na ang garden na to is in Tokyo? And this is one of the popular Japanese garden destination. So today, ang gagawin natin, titignan natin kung maganda na ba yung autumn leaves nila. From here, andyan tayo bibili ng ticket. Meron siyang machine over there. Per person is 300 yen. And if you are 65 years old and above, you have 50% discount. So kung pupunta kayo dito, I recommend na 65 years old and above. So you get the 50% discount. Para makabili, you have to test your body temperature and alcohol. And bibili na tayo.
Ito special.
Anong bibili mo? Yes. 2 people.
Coins.
And then pay 600 yen. And lalabas ang ticket. Hindi siya marunong bumili po. Ayun. Yay! Pakita mo siya. Yay! Yay! Yes. Okay, may ticket na kami. Kamo na tayo na ito. Guys, to the park! And let's go. We are here sa entrance na. And look at that! Merong tsubaki flower. Here we are sa garden. Ayan, nakikita nyo, itong tree na to, ang tawag sa kanya, Mumeji. Ito, nag-change talaga yung color niya. Pero, we are too early. Mga 2 weeks pa daw bago siya mag-change ng color. So, sorry. Super green pa siya. Pero this part, ayan no, nagbabago na yung kulay niya. Ayan, kahit pa paano. Dito sa entrance nitong garden, meron siyang stamp area kung nagkukulik ka ng mga stamps. Pero alam niya, ano ba yung mga stamps? Yung friend ko here na si Welin, meron siyang stamp collection. Ang hilig niya kasi dun sa mga stationery, dun sa mga items. So, eto, meron siyang stamp card. But this is for, tell us
Train.
about this.
So this is a traveler's notebook. Train. Ayan. So, first stamp ko today.
Ah, that one.
Yeah, Suidabashi.
So this one is yung name ng station na binabaan namin today. So yung mga stations, if you are into collecting mga station stamps, meron pala silang mga stamps I didn't know.
Yeah, many people around the world collects this kind.
Yes.
Yeah, every release, like my friend collects everything.
Yes.
But for me, I still choose kasi budget.
Yung yung mga stamp, lahat ng, every station meron siyang stamp
Dito yata sa Tokyo.
sa Tokyo.
Meron ditong stamp rally. Yan. Stamp rally for parks, stamp rally for trains. Ito, Goshin.
Ah,
I
yes,
got
this
this
one.
from my favorite temple.
I know.
You brought me there. You're the first person who brought me there.
San.
In Mobara. What's the name of that? My favorite, but I forgot the name.
Mubara?
Mm.
What is that?
In Mobara. The one that's like a very peaceful place, temple.
In Mubara, I'm sorry. I don't remember. Pero ako, meron din akong ganito.
Yeah.
This one naman, if you are into collecting temple and shrine stamps, ang cute niya. I have this one. Meron silang mga stamp na ganito. And then pwede,
Oh, this is my first here kasi
okay.
yung iba, when you go to the temples, they already have this paper and then they'll just give it to you.
Yes.
Other temples, they stamp
And
here.
just imagine, lahat ng temples na pupuntahan mo, it's gonna be colorful after mo siyang makolect. Kasi this one is maybe like 50 stamps ang can put here kasi may mga pages siya. It's all blank pages. So pag pupunta ka sa temple, you will ask them to write on it for specific amounts. It varies
Yeah.
from normally it's like around
500
500 yen. Pero depende kung sometimes kasi is limited yung halimbawa seasonal siya. Minsan
yeah.
may
I
1,000.
paid 1,000.
Yes. And minsan 300 is yung cheapest one. So medyo mahal din siyang mag-collect.
Yeah.
Pero it's like parang siya, sacred. Kasi just imagine, every temple na visit mo.
It's like pilgrimage.
It's a pilgrimage note kind of thing.
But I'm not good at collecting
Me too.
stamps because I forget
Me
it.
too. I have two. I always leave it in the car and in my room.
Yeah, we really need to be kind of mindful. Like,
Yes.
you know, that's why it's a pilgrimage because there's like this
Yes.
sense of mindfulness.
So, meron silang stamp area dito. And si Welin is a challenger. Mag-i-stamp siya. So, meron silang ink dyan. And nandun yung stamp. Make sure na lagyan mo siya ng marami.
What a favorite number?
Any. Ayan. She is a stamp master. Wow. Push. And push. And push.
Nagalaw.
And push. And push.
Love. May
Yay!
kulang.
May stamp na kami.
It's still nice kahit may kulang.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Namumulot ng damo.
Yeah, ang ganda ng view dito. Saan ba tayo ngayon?
Nandito tayo sa Korakuen.
Ano yung favorite place mo dito sa Japan?
Favorite place ko, marami. Countless.
Countless.
Yes.
Anything like so remarkable, unforgettable place?
Kanina. Hindi kami magkatagpo sa train.
Talagang yung kanina. Sige, pwede mo bang ikwento ano nangyari kanina?
Hinihintay ko siya. Hindi siya sumakay sa train ko. Bumaba ako. Sasakay ako sa train niya. Naiwan ako ng train niya. Tapos hindi kami nagkatagpo sa station. Yun lang. Maliit lang naman ang bagay.
Unforgettable na yun. Okay, ano yung favorite season mo?
Autumn.
Kasi?
Ayan, so beautiful, diba? Ang daming mga color na leaves. So amazing.
Favorite outfit?
Favorite outfit? Dress.
Yung ganito, naka one piece.
Yeah, kasi it's so easy. Isusuot mo lang siya and tcharan!
Saan ka na dito sa Japan?
Wow, more than 20 years.
Oh, ba't matagtagalan dito?
Alam parang nagtatanong nga ako, bakit ka ba nandito?
Talaga, ako na natatawa sa sagot mo.
Yung nag-i-interview mo, super ang reaction mo.
Ako yung nagre-react.
Ako yung nag-i-interview pero ako yung todo react. Tapos ini-interview ko. Pinagtatawanan ako.
Walang kwenta yung interview natin. Tapusin na natin. Cut!
Wala kang magawa.
Alam niyo po, gusto namin gumawa ng contents, any conversation, pero po wala po kaming dialogue, kaya hindi kami makabuo. Wala lang. Nag-i-enjoy lang kami. Tapos may mga nakakasalubong kami dito, yung parang puro lalaki na mga naka-neckties. Hindi namin alam kung bakit sila sama-samang nagdi-date dito. Dito kasi uso lang naman kasi talaga yung mga single na sila talaga yung nagtitrip, 'di ba? Sa atin kasi minsan
Gaya natin. Bakit wala naman tayong kasamang lalaki?
wala po kasing sumama sa aming maayos ayaw nila sa amin. Wala kaming walang
It's okay na. Walang sumama sa atin.
Walang sumama sa amin. Wala kaming
Bakit? Ang tanong, nagyaya ba tayo?
Ay, hindi rin po kami nagyayaya. Actually, I think autumn season is my favorite season.
I think so. It's your favorite.
No, maganda rin kasi ang spring kasi kasi from winter medyo umiinit na siya, tapos makikita mo yung mga plants talaga nagkakadahon. Kaya lang pag autumn kasi nakaka-amaze na, 'di ba, yung scenery na yung parang yung mata mo is sanay siya sa green. Tapos magbabago talaga siya ng kulay. So para siyang it's always like parang mysterious. It's so amazing.
Enjoy all seasons. Actually.
Yes.
Like, it's worth celebrating. Na at least, yeah, I survived another season.
Yeah.
Still, like, totally adapt to the changes that's so fast. Like, I want to appreciate things, but I cannot because I don't have time to appreciate whatever.
Yes, so like we are so busy, pero pag may mga time na ganito, we make sure na we
It's
treat
worth,
yeah.
like, going to, or just,
Yes.
simple things like this.
Yeah. It's like enjoy nature,